Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get spiritual beast scales in Evony. To get a spiritual beast in Evony, you first need to unlock and build the pasture. This building becomes available once you keep reaches level 21. After building the pasture, you will unlock access to spiritual beast feature. Simply tap the pasture and select the spiritual beast menu to view available beasts. From there, you can begin unlocking and strengthening them by using the smelt feature which increases their power and helps progress their development. Once you unlock a spiritual beast, you can assign it to a general. To do this, open your generals menu and select the general you want enhanced. In the top section of the general's profile, you will see the spiritual beast slot. Tap that slot and choose the beast you want to equip. If you decide to remove or switch a spiritual beast, you can cancel the assignment, but you will need to wait for the cooldown period before equipping it to the other general. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.